Here are some scenes from the first 2 years of my fall and winter garden. The second year was more successful. And this last year was even better. This is my main fall and winter garden bed. Some of the things I've planted a couple weeks back are up, and I've recently, in the last few days, planted more things that will hopefully be coming up here. Tender green mustard is up. Just a few of the beets I planted here came up. Added more seeds yesterday. And this section is arugula that's up. And a couple days ago I planted spinach here. There's kale that was transplanted earlier in the season. And then here, just yesterday, I planted lettuce, mesclun seeds. And in the back under those baskets are snow peas. And over here, fall winter garden has been doing okay. Despite the insect mesh, something is getting in there at the mustard greens. Arugula's looking good. The kale had a problem even before I left. And new things are popping up. Lettuce and spinach. My first attempt at fall peas did not go as well as I had hoped. This is the best it's looked, and this is maybe the third pea that I've harvested. And the ones that I put in my bonus bed are already dried up. Not much was left when I switched to the polytunnel, so I didn't mind when it got blown over during the winter and everything inside froze. Besides, I had a new bed. I have more fall crops started in this little bonus bed that my husband recently built for me. Snow peas are in the back, and in this little bed I've planted carrots for the pillow and lettuce here. Added more seeds of both yesterday, and on the sides I have radishes. Later, I covered that bed with frost cloth and recently found this. I left the carrots for later and harvested the spinach, my first harvest of 2023.